This tent right here is the Walkabout 62 from 23Zero, and in this video, we are going to unbox it. Wow, it's our tent. Walkabout 62 sit on our roof.
Oh wow.
How does it look?
It looks pretty neat. Why don't you climb up, go out, go up.
The tent came nicely padded with foam around all four corners. We originally bought the tent to use with the BMW at first, just to try it out and see how we liked it, because the BMW roof racks could support the weight of it. But then we had to change our plans right away and move it to the Jeep. This very day, my grandfather passed away of COVID. It was very tragic and sudden. We were not expecting it, but we decided to drive across the country to New Jersey for his funeral. This is a pulley system Mark had designed for taking the hardtop on and off the Jeep. So we use it here to take the rooftop tent off of the BMW so that we can unbox it and prepare it for the Jeep modifications we will need to make. So this is the 23Zero tent. We just took the lid off the box. And it is very heavy.
Yes. Yes, there is no denying that.
Hoping the box adds some weight. There's some, I think we might need some scissors.
Open the corners up.
It's a very sturdy box. It came nice and padded. You're just using a screwdriver and try and pry it open.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Ripple. Push towards me.
And we have cover, and the ladder is inside. It is very dark in here. So we'll pull that out. And this is it, fresh out of the box. How heavy is it?
It's not heavy at all.
Okay, so the box made it extra heavy.
Oh.
Right? We hope, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, this is what it looks like. Hole. The ladder.
It's so dark in there, I can't see.
It is really dark in there. A little kit here. Very nice. Lots of Velcro. Everything you need to attach the 23Zero tent to your roof racks on your car was included in this bag, which was great. Oh wow, they include wrenches and stuff, Mark.
Nice.
Tent.
Oh, for
Sticks.
the awning.
I think that's for the rainfly.
Yes.
Taking all the contents out of this green bag. What do we have?
These are the clamps.
Okay, so we're tying this with 2 Thule bars. Not the most ideal setup, but we're in a pinch right now, so we're gonna try it.
So now we gotta slide these little brackets into the tracks here. I already have the 2 that go in between the bars. I just take it, slides right in.
We were debating between this and the breezeway. And this Walkabout looks pretty good. And that's where the ladder goes.
Yeah, I gotta put the screws in. 10mm on the inside, and then a ratchet on the outside.
The ladder. Alright, so how does this go in, you think? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then like this over here and our ladder. How's it look?
Pretty neat. Here, let's put this on and out.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Pretty neat.
You just look inside. It is dark. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's super dark. I could curl up in there right now. That looks amazing.
I'll get a little tie here.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have plenty of airflow. That was the one thing you were worried about.
Yeah. Nice and awkward for the first time.
Yep. Figuring it out. Nice. All right.
Look at these these little hooks here too. Be able to hook like a sheet to it, make your own annex.
Oh yeah. What do we have here? This bar.
I think it goes.
Is it a spotlight?
Yeah, and then it goes there.
And then you extend it. Okay.
Yeah, and that's going to keep that down.
Secure.
Oh, there's Velcro strips here.
Where?
Right here. I'm not sure what they're for. Oh, it's to hold this thing in place, I think. Look at this. There's like a metal bar in here to hold all this up.
Oh my gosh, it's so dark.
That is crazy. I'll get a flashlight.
Oh my gosh. Are you going to get a flashlight?
I'm thinking about it.
Look at this. So I guess these you would undo and stake in the ground. Pull it taut. First impression?
I'm thoroughly impressed.
And off we went on our cross-country road trip. So here we are at our campsite. And there's our rooftop tent with a little kite right there. He is loving it. So, let's see. We'll go up. Oh, hi, Kai. Oh, hello. Don't stay there. Stay there. No, you can't come out. Say hello. My bed. Watch Mark make the hot dogs over there. You gonna watch him? Good boy. Good boy. Here we are in the inside of the tent. This is what it's like. Except with this great comforter. There's these two skylights we could open up, but it would be too bright. And then a window here. So lots of ventilation, but when you shut it off, it's really dark. So it worked out pretty well. Last night's camp spot. Kai, did you approve? Yeah. Not bad, right? Next time on The SoCal Dog on YouTube, we continue our drive to Colorado. where we have trouble with our toolie rack, so we end up having to do this. Okay. All right.